Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo and I'm here today with the ThinkPad T490s. Today we are going to be replacing the M.2 solid-state drive. This process will take about 10 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. The tools required will be a Phillips screwdriver and a non-metallic pry tool. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. Now we can place the computer onto a hard flat surface in order to begin. Let's get started. Disconnect the AC adapter. Power on the computer and tap the F1 key to enter the BIOS. Press the right arrow key to go to the configuration menu. Press the down arrow key to select the power submenu and press enter. Select the disable built-in battery option and press enter. Assure that yes is highlighted and press enter again. The system will power down and the built-in battery is disabled. Loosen 5 captive screws. Using a non-metallic pry tool, loosen the clips along the rear of the cover. Lift the cover from the system. Remove the screw. Pull the card from the slot. Place the card into the slot. Install the screw. Place the bottom cover onto the system front edge first. Tighten 5 captive screws. Before attempting to power on the system, reconnect the AC adapter to re-enable the internal battery.